Hi traders, I did a video earlier today and it was about scalping / day trading Atom. 30 out of 30 win rate, here's the strategy, blah blah blah, I did the video. Now I decided to continue this theme. I'm looking for opportunities and I'm going to do a series of videos on these. At the moment I'm looking for any chart and time frame that's giving me a 30 out of 30 win rate. I want to maximize my profitability here and set up a system. So I've opened up Avalanche. I've gone back and it so happens that the 3-minute chart is giving us the results. The 5-minute chart gave me a 19. Well, it was a 19 out of 20. There was a losing trade in there. So we're going to let that one go and we're going with the 3-minute, which has given us a 30 out of 30. The other thing that I want to do with this video is show you how to set up or streamline your alerts. Now, I've accidentally deleted all of my alerts. It was a blessing in disguise because now I'm getting to redo them and they're going to be a lot more meaningful, profitable, and streamlined. I want to streamline my trading process. So this alert here is it's a breakout. Now this is a 3-minute chart. The alert is, I'm going to double click it, but to set up the alert, go to the indicator, click the 3 dots and it'll bring you into this. I'm going to go the breakout once per bar. There are the options that I want. You know, I mean, you might want it to go to your phone but yeah, there's going to be a lot of alerts. So I prefer to just have them show in the alerts log and I can go in at my leisure. But this thing here is really important. This is going to be the breakout 3-minute, no TA, 30-30. Okay, no technical analysis required, 30 out of 30 result. Okay, so this is Avalanche. You'll want that note in there so that when the alert fires, like if you've got a whole bunch of them, you'll know the trading setup or the strategy. So that's that one. So, you know, another alert could be breakout 3-minute with 30-minute TF time frame, etc., etc. Okay, so you go back and you find successful outcomes and then you set the alerts accordingly. I'll save that. You know, this trade is a simple matter of when the alert fires in the alerts log, you click it, you come into the chart, there's no TA. I mean, here it is. There's the alert, and all we're going to do is we're going to wait for, after the alert fires, which is here, we're waiting for a pullback down into retest or trades back into the mean, which is this midline here. And then we just simply take it. It's just the pullback we're looking for. It's a breakout. So, you know, it's a retest and fail, for example. Here's a breakout, retest and fail. Well, we've got this range here and it retested, starting to fail with this red candle. Or you just take the trade when it comes into this midline here, the mean. We just take it. So we know that this particular altcoin is going to most likely, if we've got 30 out of 30 previously, well, we should get a pretty good result moving forward. 1, 2, 3. Some of them are going to be a little bit short-lived, but it's still profitable. But what we're doing with these is we're going to take 80% at T1. So here's the break. Here's the pullback. We would have entered about here. And we're looking for 1 times the average true range. And we're going to partial close 80% of our position here. And we're going to pull the stop loss. Okay, stop loss will be set up above the cloud. Then we're going to pull the stop loss down to where it's break even or better. And just let it play out. That gets taken out, it doesn't matter. Okay, here we go, breakout, pullback. There's our entry. We're going to look for 1 times the average true range. We close 80% and then we let 20% run. Stop loss is under the cloud here and then we can trail it up. And depending on how well you read the market and you exit will depend on your skill as a trader. We do have a very simple method of exiting the trade. So breakout, pull back, entry here, fine. And we're going to look for 80% of our position at 1 times the ATR. It's a simple process. The ATR is down here in the bottom right corner of the chart. It's 0.342 in this case. So we just simply measure whatever the value of the ATR is. I mean, you can grab a short position if you want to, throw that on there, And when you pull this up and down, you'll see the ATR. You'll see how many pips. Okay, so we're looking for 0.346. There it is, 0.333533. There's your TP1 right there. I was quite close actually with my parallel. Your stop loss above. Okay, so it's not a great risk reward at this point. But here's where it is a good risk reward, because you're going to leave 20% run. And then you simply trail with your stop loss here. Once your stop loss is well and truly in the money, as you're pulling it down and you're in the profit, give it a little bit of room to breathe and just follow the price. I mean, this is going to be an incredibly profitable trade. Given that we've had a 30 out of 30, like let's say you have one of these where your stop loss gets hit, it doesn't matter because you've made so many of these 80% wins, and you've got a whole stack of these 20% of your position still running. That's going to completely blow that out of the water. So this is where the risk reward is in fact favorable. All right, look at this for example. See, you're going to get these trades. Look at that. Look at that. It just keeps going and going and going. So, you know, depending on how well you read the market, seriously, I mean, if you pull your stop loss, let's say that's your entry, and you've closed 80% here, and then you pull your stop loss, let's say you're here, and then it starts to get away on you, and this is well and truly in the money, just let it sit here and let this run. Definitely, like you're well and truly in the money here, and at some stage you're going to plan your exit. We've got a specific method of exiting our trades. In fact, what I'll do is show you this. There we are. There's our cloud down here. I'll just bump it up so it's over the top obvious. You've entered the trade here. You've taken 80% here. Stop loss here. You can start trailing it down. As soon as this trades into the cloud here, that's where you can exit the trade if you want to. Right? And you're well and truly in the money. Whoops. Okay, there's supposed to be a cross. Okay, that's your exit. Entry was here and you're well and truly ahead. Okay, so that's one way we can exit. Here's another trade here. We're trailing the stop loss and we stay in until we trade into the cloud, and that's your exit. It's a pretty simple strategy. 30 out of 30, guys. I've already had a look at these. Every single one of them. Okay, and remember, when your 80% is reached, like your T1, and you've taken your 80, your stop loss comes up to break even or better, wherever that is, and then simply trail it from there. All right, so every one of these trades on this chart, there they are. Very good. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'll set that alert and wait for the next one to trigger and simply just take the trade. So that's the most basic of this strategy, the most basic approach to this strategy. Take it to the next level, and what you'll do then is you're going to look at the 30-minute chart, and you'll only take the green breakout if the majority of these higher time frames, like I've got a weekly, daily, 4, 2 and 1 hour. This indicator down the bottom is our higher time frame, multi-higher time frame indicator. If this is predominantly green, then we only take the green break signals. We only take the green signals. So then you're more or less going to be definitely 100%, well and truly with your trades. If you're going long and you're looking for the breakout of the cloud, so you'll only take green break signals on the 3-minute if the 30-minute is trading out of the cloud. Okay, so we're only looking for green breaks, not red. So with the red, you're trading the pullback. That's a counter trend. With the green, what you're doing in this case is, you have a look down here, you'll be entering the market. See where this pulls back? That's going to be the entry when this starts to rotate, and that'll be a green arrow right here. So you want that if it's a bullish market on the higher time frame. So that's taking it to the next level, and like I've got a bunch of videos on this. Okay, guys, that's it. This is Avalanche trading without any technical analysis, 30 out of 30. Jump on board, guys. Click the link below the video and go to my YouTube channel, go to my website, gain access to the indicators. There's a 7-day free trial, and if you like it and you want to stick around, which most people do, it's only $19.95 per month after that. In other words, shout me a cup of coffee and a cake every month, and you've got access to my full trading system, tutorials, Telegram group, everything. With that, have a great day. See you in the next video.